First of all, when you look at this aircraft pass by, everyone immediately thinks of what?
Bliskavka, product of R&K Company. The company is quite young and set itself the goal to invent a tool that will be sufficiently effective and at the same time cheap, and accordingly able to achieve a certain mass application. We didn't play with the name of this aircraft. It's that very lightning, just Ukrainian, not Molnia. It is regularly used in this way, let's say, for landscape design and accordingly dismantling of certain structures, fortified positions, burrows, and so on. That is, on average, now every day it performs tasks on the line of combat contact. They are still static objects as well as certain objects that turn out to be fixed, like artillery crews, self-propelled artillery crews, air defense crews.
The main advantage, when the Russian Molnia first appeared, was their maximum cheapness. Here you also reproduce that, and it's also not expensive.
Yes, the main emphasis was on cost. The cost of one aircraft is 34,000 hryvnia. Now we plan to reduce the price thanks to scaling. Our goal is 25,000 hryvnia, but we are confidently moving toward it. This product, considering its payload capacity, costs the same as some FPV drones on the market. Therefore, we emphasize precisely this, cheapness and simplicity. This, conditionally, is the warhead mass dimensions. We use regular gym weights. Now 6 kilograms, 125 grams. It, in principle, lifts 8. Yesterday we flew with that and it was 8 kilograms. It lifts it quite calmly. Now we will gradually come to 10 kilograms testing. But now in combat conditions, the guys most often use 5 to 6 kilograms to make a certain range reserve, let's say, for themselves, and to bypass enemy obstacles like electronic warfare and so on.
There is a direct dependence here. The more weight, the less it will fly accordingly. The less, the more.
Yes, but now on this aircraft we have such a 6S6P, there is the possibility to deliver a larger 6S10P, and accordingly increase the time this aircraft stays in the air and the corresponding range. But range is more about connection. But you are right that there is a direct dependence. But again, the aircraft is quite modular. Here, depending on the task, you can install different warheads. They can be cumulative, fragmentation, high explosive fragmentation ammunition, as well as different batteries for different tasks. Everything depends on the distance, as well as the targets that aerial reconnaissance or other objects provide us for targets.